Allahabad High Court APS Series B, exercise 17 at the speed of 110 words per minute. Be ready? Start. The special leave petitions have been preferred by the judicial officer manning the Motor Accidents Claims Tribunal in respect of certain observations made personally against her in the impugned order dated 24/2/2020 by the High Court of Karnataka at Bengaluru. Insofar as the merits of the case are concerned, the endeavour of the claimants to assail the judgment has been rejected in SLP C numbers 8267 to 8268 of 2020 on 29/7/2020. We are thus only called upon to look into the grievance made by the officer qua the observations made against her stop para. We are in the agreement with learned counsel for the appellant that the appellant cannot be condemned unheard. We must notice at the threshold that the language used is extremely strong and the court should be circumspect in using such language while penning down its order qua judicial officers. We really cannot appreciate the use of this language, whatever may have been the conduct of the appellant stop para. We have heard learned counsel for the appellant on the limited aforesaid issue. Learned counsel has drawn our attention to the observations in paras 13 and 16 as under colon para. This court is unable to understand the level of integrity of the presiding officer in deliberately not observing these mistakes and proceeding to believe the bundle of lies which are stated in the complaint, which are contrary to the documents which are already on record. This conduct of the tribunal is really baffling, be that as it may. Stop para. There cannot be an adverse remark made against a judicial officer without first giving an opportunity to the judicial officer to explain his conduct. In that context, in fact, it has been observed that while our legal system acknowledges the fallibility of the judges and thus provides for appeals and revisions, the lower judicial officers mostly work under charged atmosphere and are under psychological pressure and do not have the facilities which are available in the High Court stop para. It was in any case open to the division bench if it found that the impugned judgment of the tribunal had grave errors which casts some doubt on the performance of the officer to direct the matter to be taken on the administrative side, in which case notice would have been issued to the appellant to explain her conduct and she would have got an opportunity to put forth her point of view and then it would have been open on the administrative side, if so advised, to whether to take some action or not. Stop para. We may note that the aspect of remarks against subordinate judicial officers and the process of expunging such adverse remarks have formed part of more than one opinion of this court, stating that the power to expunge remarks exists for redressal of a kind of grievance for which law does not provide any other remedy in express terms, though it is an extraordinary power. We may also note that what we have said aforesaid on language to be deployed has also been opined upon as the overall test of any criticism or observations must be judicial in nature and should not formally depart from sobriety, moderation, and reserve. It has been categorically laid down that there cannot be an adverse remark made against a judicial officer without first giving an opportunity to the judicial officer to explain his conduct. Stop. Hope you like the dictation. If you like the dictation, please like, subscribe, share with other. Press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.